Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Hotspot and Wi-Fi at the same time. This powerful feature allows your device to connect to an existing Wi-Fi network while simultaneously broadcasting its own hotspot. This is incredibly useful for sharing a single Wi-Fi connection with multiple devices, especially when only one device can directly access the network. We'll cover compatibility, setup, and best practices to get you started. Not all devices support this dual functionality, so checking compatibility is your first step. Many modern Android smartphones, particularly those running newer operating systems, offer a Wi-Fi sharing or Wi-Fi bridge mode. You might also find this feature on dedicated travel routers. Navigate to your device's network settings and look for options related to hotspot or tethering to confirm if this capability is available to you. Once you've confirmed compatibility, the setup is straightforward. First, connect your primary device to the desired Wi-Fi network. Next, enable the mobile hotspot feature. Your device should then prompt you to choose whether to share its cellular data or the existing Wi-Fi connection. Select the Wi-Fi option, set a strong password, and give your new hotspot a clear name. You are now ready to share the internet. This setup is perfect for scenarios like sharing hotel Wi-Fi with several gadgets or extending a weak signal. Be mindful of potential performance impacts. Sharing a connection can slightly reduce speeds for connected devices. Battery drain can also be a factor, so consider keeping your device charged. Always use a strong, unique password for your hotspot. You can typically connect up to 10 devices, making it highly versatile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.